Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy at your homes. I am your Social Studies teacher, Ms. Farheen, and I welcome you all to your Social Study class. My dear students, as you already know that we are on unit number 1, Citizenship, and today is its 13th lecture. And today we will going to make or perform a project as an activity. So my dear students, before that, let's quickly have a look at today's objective that will be attained by the end of today's lesson. Students will be able to explain civic sense by giving examples, traffic rules, keep the environment clean and wash. So my dear students, हम civic sense के बारे में ही बात करेंगे और एक civic sense जो कि आपको awareness जिससे आती है वो होगी, लेकिन it will be a plantation project. कैसे जो है plantation हमें benefit करती है, हमारी society को better बनाती है, we will also discuss that. So my dear students, let's quickly look at the Islamic perspective. If a Muslim plants a tree or sows seeds and then a bird or a person or an animal eats from it, it is regarded as a charitable gift, sadqa from him. So my dear students, अगर आप कोई भी दरख्त लगाते हैं या कोई पौधा लगाते हैं, so that will be that will benefit many benefit other people or animals or birds in many ways. फ्रेश ऑक्सीजन, ताज़ा हवा जो है वो प्रोवाइड करता है. इट विल ऑल्सो बिकम अ सोर्स ऑफ फूड. इट विल ऑल्सो बिकम हैबिटेट और अ होम फॉर मैनी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये चीज़ जो है जब आप किसी को फ़ायदा पहुंचाते हैं ये आपका सदका बन जाता है. सो प्लांटिंग ट्रीज इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट और ये एक बहुत अच्छी बात है. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ट्री प्लांटेशन प्रोजेक्ट, हम आज एक पौधा या एक दरख्त लगाएंगे. उसके लिए हमें क्या क्या चीज़ों की ज़रूरत है? गार्डन एलिमेंट्स दैट आर रिक्वायर्ड: सीड्स, शॉवल, वाटर, सॉयल, pot and gloves. So quickly note the things down that are required for the project. I hope everybody has note down the things. Now let's move forward towards the project. Project number 3. Arrange a tree plantation activity at school. आप ये activity school में भी perform कर सकते हैं. You can pause the video when you have watched it, and then you can go out with your teacher and you can plant the tree. Ask each student to plant a tree at school and their home or community area. Take photographs of that moment when you plant a tree. आप ये एक्टिविटी स्कूल में, घर में या अपने कम्युनिटी में कहीं पे भी परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं. आपको एक दरख्त लगाना है, एक पौधा लगाना है. उसके बाद you also have to take pictures of that moment when you are planting the trees. उसके बाद आपको क्या करना है? लुक आफ्टर योर प्लांट. आपको अपने प्लांट को डेली लुक आफ्टर करना है. उसके बाद कीप टेकिंग द पिक्चर्स ऑफ द ग्रोथ. जब वो ग्रो करता है तो आप उसकी पिक्चर्स लें एंड देन पेस्ट द पिक्चर्स इन द स्क्रैप बुक ऑफ योर्स and keep a timeline of it. और उसके बाद write a few lines about how the trees and the plants keep our environment and our society clean and green. So with this note we will move forward. The planting cycle. Plant कैसे grow करता है? आप एक tree को plant करते हैं, then you feed it with water or plant food. You keep watering it. And then time comes for the harvesting. यानी कि आप उससे जब वो इतना बड़ा हो जाता है कि उस पे से fruits निकल आते हैं, then you take off the fruits and now it's time to take benefit of that plant. और इसके बाद आप दोबारा से seeds जो है sow कर सकते हैं and the cycle will continue. Okay, so this is a picture. That's how you will sow the seed and you will keep taking the pictures. Okay, it will become a seedling. When the seed will grow, then leaflets will come out of it, then it will grow and it will become a mature plant. So this is a timeline of a plant or its growth timeline. ठीक है, इसी तरीके से आपको pictures, keep on clicking the pictures with time और उसको paste करते जाइएगा. So my dear students, compare and paste previous and current view of the plant in your scrapbook and make the plant's timeline. Share how tree plantation can make our environment clean and green. I have already told you that. So my dear students, wrap up of today's lesson is, as good citizens, we should plant more and more trees. Our environment is getting polluted day by day due to the increase in vehicles and factories. Remember, a single tree provides oxygen to 4 human beings. such a good note. देखिए आपको कितनी जो है इंफॉर्मेशन यहीं से मिल गई है. तो आप you can spread this awareness. आप अपने फ्रेंड्स को बताएं, छोटे बहन भाइयों को बताएं, कजन्स को बताएं. Spread awareness, keep planting more and more trees. This will benefit everybody around you. देखें 4 ह्यूमन बींग्स जो हैं वो एक दरख्त से ऑक्सीजन को यूज़ करते हैं. तो 1 tree is enough for 4 ह्यूमन बींग्स. तो अगर आप you will keep on planting trees तो सबको बहुत ही साफ सुथरी हवा मिल सकती है. So my dear students, your homework for today is plant a tree at home or in your neighborhood park. You have to do this project under your parents' supervision. Take pictures, paste them into your scrapbook and bring it to the school next day in class. So my dear student, आपको जो है under parent supervision, plant a tree in your home also or in your society. उसके बाद अपने पेरेंट्स से कहें कि वो आपकी पिक्चर्स लें, उन पिक्चर्स को आप स्क्रैप बुक में पेस्ट करें और जो है वो नेक्स्ट डे जो है स्कूल में जाके अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ आप शेयर करें. ठीक है. दिस विल encourage them also to plant trees. So my dear students, I hope you will enjoy this activity thoroughly. Keep everybody around you safe. Plant more and more trees. Keep your society and your city clean and green. Have a good day and Allah Hafiz.